welcome to 5126 Mansfield View Court here in Austin, Texas. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just over 2,900 square foot custom home here with views of the Texas Hill Country and Lake Travis. It's absolutely stunning, 2002 build. I'm going to do a full walkthrough video today, interior and exterior, so you can get a full view of this property. It's listed for $828. This is one of our team's listings. And if you want to tour this property yourself, please just reach out. I'd be happy to assist you with that. Otherwise, let me know what you think about this property. Is it priced right? What do you think about the location? Is there anything that you would do to improve the property if you were the homeowner moving in here? Curious, just let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. please drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this listing. I'd love to hear your feedback. Other than that, I'm here in Austin locally. If you need an agent to help you tour some properties or list your home, I'd be happy to help anytime. You can find my contacts down below. I'm just a phone call or text away. And before I forget, I have a home buyer's advantage guide. Pretty much everything you need to know A to Z to get a good start on your home purchase, whether you are a first-time home buyer or just need a refresher, especially after the recent NAR lawsuits in the real estate industry. So if you'd like a copy of that free guide, please follow the link in my description and I'll send it right over to you. Have a fantastic day and good luck house hunting.